almost after 3 hours khona umuntu amhijackile bamkidnaphile bamthathele imali. They hijack you mama kade ukuhijacka bahambe nawe bafuna ikhadi while bakufaka emotweni bazokubuza ama question ikhadi lakho ipin by the time akhuluma ipin chuthi mama kade hijacka khona bakufaka ku straight car sabo bakufake wena lapho labathatha imoto yakho bayise kuphi bayokuduza bakhipha ama tracker saba stripper ke more than anything now. While balo strip motor yakho kuphi wena bahamba nawe wena bakulalise phansi umuntu angene ngekhadi lakho afika swipe wenza ama transfers so mabantu nemali eningi bakuthathe babheke indlu let's say kunomfana othenga kubo washona abazali sakaphe ama drugs mafika bakufaka kulendlu enjalo obviously bakuvala amehlo bakubeke lapho kulendlu leyo bakudrain imali zakho bakutransferisa imali bayenzeni. Ngizalele eSpruit eKatlehong eMavembela section. Mawubona abantu bahamba ngamagusheshe usesemncane bojabulisa lento le baspina imoto ama-hotman futhi la kule family ngikhulule kubo bathanda ibhola bathanda Orlando Pirates so njalo nje makudlala ibhola bekubona nje amakoporo Pirates nini badala ukwatile iPirates idliwe nini yabona man like nje life ibamnandi masukhule ngathi drive gusheshe ulispine life nje njalo. So my team uma 1990 it's when sokucanda ze politics now so na 10 years uyaqala uyabona and la bengifunda khona kunesikole sibiza ngeHleziphi so iHleziphi beyiphambi kwama hostel so kucala lento lena then I'm confused ukuthi kulabantu but because of by then eHleziphi I remember bokuno ukhethe kwethu bokuba bomnqobe. So by the time I got into the IFP and the ANC, because of another thing, good hey, Baba Mnube, we IFP and Pamgama was still like IFP. So in this injalo, people were thinking good hey, la wandala Baba Mnube, no Mashanga na how much is Ameruna Sehlezi, but haven't Baba Mnube, ngeke benze next, so are born with him and more figure look but community language different nalaband lab. Then we are born with him and this is something and ngasikhathi eziqhulu ngombe esifuna uMandela now usofuna uMandela ongamazi nokumazi umbona kuma pictures esifuna uMandela but mawungale esikolweni lento uthi ufuna uMandela manje be careful ungakhulumi ngayo ukuthi sifuna uMandela because bakubuza ukuthi bani uMandela loyo makhula thina masikhula umuntu ofundile usebenza right bese ngamboni njengehero besibona laba ba drive imoto ukuthi abantu banakasebenzi but negusheshe lo hola ka12 angento abanye bahola ngenyanga lo hola ka12 ma-hotman nini nokuvela shaya ngegusheshe ushaya iabita yabona so beyikhona icrime but besingekho that expose kangako ku crime by then. Angithi masikhula imoto amaphoyisa yayiyelo mawazi na ukuthi kavela imele yelo usenkingeni avela imoto eyelo usenkingeni so bobona nje ukuthi batheka abantu bani kaTsotetsu kaHadebe kaMthimkhulu kuvela imede yelo shothi kunenkingi and bokushawa by then and once bekuvela lamphoyisa ababiza ngaBrixton baphephezela uboya babakutshela sendlini ukuthi hey ungangifaka enkingeni asifune kubona amaphoyisa endlini. But manje I'm not quite sure maybe imqondo ushintsha ukuthi umuntu asezimhlophe ezamaphoyisa sezibhaliwe so people bazenzela and by the time masikhula thina bungagcwala amaphoyisa kakhulu endaweni yokuhlala bekune certain areas wazi ukuthi kule ndawo le yahlala amaphoyisa so beke kodwa expose emaphoyiseni yabona so bowazi amaphoyisa mawafikile there's something wrong but manje sibona ukuthi man khona into abiza ngephoyisa or so khona umem ohlala nikuzona kini uqala uyabona lapho ukuthi hey kahle bowazi la kudala ukuthi bafeta icrime ungayenza ukuyenza but once afika this year futhi basikhohlisa amasikhulu bathi ukufaka nekati emanzini bakulahlela esakeni napha manje uyacabanga ukuthi ikati lizokhweba kabuhlungu kangakanani yabona as much as mama stradini uyayibona lento uyabona ukuthi hey manga the life lane right mawubukela iTV uyabona ukuthi ziyayifaka induku neza so obviously besingekho that exposed by then but la so nokukhula futhi kwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukubona ezinye izinto ngelinye ilizwi ukuthi kahle umuntu okaso bowuzwa nje bakhuluma ngama drugs bowuzwa but bowuzela kude ukuthi kuthengisa ama drugs lapha ya but now umazi nomuntu othengisa ama drugs even if you can go to police station masihlezi phansi sikhuluma siplan abazokutshela ukuthi hayi sinama address bese sibuza amaphoyisa nama address ama drugs but before busaba na ukwazi ukuthi ukuthengisa ama drugs so mehluko kudala namanje ukuthi eqaleni bengavelelanga kangako but besizwa sazi kancane but manje so wazi nokubani noma nomntana omncane esikoleni yazi lapha ukuthengisa ama drugs awubani ubhokoza ubani I remember masisakhula bokuba khona lento ama BMX but thina besisebancane bowazi kunama ama-hotman wazi kuba nama IV kunama pantsula icala kanjalo this thing masikhula futhi siloku sihamba nepolitics kancane ithi ingena wazi ukuthi kunepaso bese uyazi ukuthi kunesikhosas nokusuka ukuthi bathe iduduza bafethu ifikile ipaso lapha igijimisa ile ntuzaneni ikhosas ifikile kuphi it's when uyaqala yabona like somebody needs to belong somewhere ukuze ukuthole protection, now you'll join maybe it's either you go to paso or you go to ile ntuzaneni ikhosas. Now icala lapho ke imgenge lapho kubona ukuthi bafethu hayi kusho ukuthi mawuthanda ibhola uzohamba nabantu abadlala ibhola, so bowufeel ukuthi I need to belong somewhere ukuthi should anything happen une backup yabantu ophila nabo. Abantu abaziyo bazokutshela ukuthi once spread saqala sathi ukunyakaza South Africa yonke, because of bowazi ukuthi isho emgenge bakubamba ubhekane netayera bakushisa kunenye ingoma beyishaya ngasikhathi sethi sokushaya sikushisi wothi cabanga imagine ingoma ithi sokushaya sikushisa iphinde sikuwothi, so bowazi na ukuthi bazokushaya bakushise baphinde bakuwothi. So obviously uzocala lapho ukuthuka ukuthi lento yamagenge. Masengikhulile futhi bekhona amaZafius. I remember amaZafius, they're very strong emavimbela eKaSlam. I remember there was a time la ifumana abantwana mele bazokhuphuka eDebsini, mele ukhuphuka ishow esikolweni, makusemele niphuma ngama-R2 cabanga lapha emagedini because ba ama-gangs niphuma ngama-R2, at the same time umphakathi wabona ukuthi bafethu we are enough. I remember abanye babadubulela ema-garage basiblomele kufika ikhumbi nje ivelimi ivunele i-AK, so bephela kabuhlungu ending yakhona. Nala kukhosas nakupaso naku-organization ethize uthola ukuthi abantu sababiza ngabo-comtsotsi benza ngathi ba-patrol benza ama-comrade kanti ebusuku bayaganga, so ubuza ukuthi nabo once bakuthola uzobhekana ibullet ye-AK or bakufaka itayera. The biggest challenge ukuthi lento besithi ayifuna sithi inkululeko yayenza ukuthi the community ba-relax batshela ukuthi sebangenile kunkululeko, sebangenile eGolgotha ezweni nesithembiso. Baqala manje ba-relaxa, part of them ukuthi ba-relaxa bakhohlwa into eziningi bafocusa batshela ukuthi the ruling party maqeda ukungena izibenzela yonke into. Then mawusongena esikolweni waqala manje ukufundisa ngamanantuzana ngamalungelo wakho, azange sitshele kakhulu ngama-responsibilities kumalungelo nawo. So feel ukuthi uma umntwana phela thina ngenkathi zethu ukuthi umntwana esikole bakashawa. Ngikhumbula mangifunda eLungisane bekunendawo ebiza nge-B6. Mawuneqala lapho wazi ukuthi abumenera bawongena abayi6 bakubhentshe bonke, and that's besine discipline bowazi nombona iphepha bolithatha maka lo uwazi ukuthi nelungelo uthi amila ngishaya, then iqala lapho uwazi ukuthi saka nelungelo awusakwazi ukwenzani, kanti ke amalungelo ahamba nama responsibilities wabo. Sikhuluma so izolo kwizolo Friday bokunabantwana abahlasela uprincipal eFosloras thatha amagate baphusha amagate because of this bullying thing seyenzakala, and sekunama-gangsterism manje ngeimpahla, spread futhi kuyagcwala into ekhothani. Ngayibona from lapho ukuthi lento engathi yabuya ama-gangsterism because once aba 6-7 sigcoka into eyi-1 sihamba sonke, so automatically sesingama-gangster because of sicabanga ngokufana senza into ngokufanele wathi into eyi-1 usithinte sonke, and remember amaphoyisa futhi mawafika lapha abantwana bakushaya amaphoyisa ngetina abashaya ngani, and should iphoyisa libuyisela, and ngasikhathi se-remember malibiza iphoyisa alifiki liphethe i-shotgun, ilifika liphethe i-handgun because akazi ukwenzana. By the time makafika abamshaya ngelithi abayenzani, abanye abantwana futhi manje bastoti angafuna ukudisama isibhamu sephoyisa, should iphoyisa lenza imistake lidubula or lenza ngolidubule phezulu, so kuyiqala kuvela-ke abanye abantu bathi hey iphoyisa bele wrong. Angithi enye into futhi esibulalayo ama-politicians because ama-oppositional parties awamaningi bakhipitalize ngento ezincane ukuthi amaphoyisa lawo certain iphoyisa bobani because kuphethe bona badubula abantwana, bathatha the clip eveza iphoyisa lidubula phezulu but not knowing what was happening, so that's a challenge that we are facing currently with the gangsterism besinayo before the gangsterism that is experienced now. We must go back to my basics. Abazali mele badlale a role very important. Umzali umntwana wakhe igcineni, so umzali akwazi ukuthi athathe umntwana ampose esikolweni ngoba uyamhlupha endlini. Makahlula ubuzali wakhe endlini kuzoba njani makafika esikolweni, and ezomzali if wena uthi wena awuzingeni ubani mele azingene, because the very same mzali futhi if esikolweni ahlangana nabanye abantu bamdisciplina wena you'll feel ukuthi hayi wena uthanda umntana kabani wenzana, usho ukuthi ngamagama abazali bathele petrol kulomlilo sinawo. So asimele basic and sibuyele back phela isiko lomuntu omnyama kahle kahle inhlonipho. If singaqala sahlonipha endlini kuba simple ukuhlonipha ngaphandle. So if abantwana bangabuza bahlale phansi bazi history ukuthi njengoba sesinenkululeko njengoba namalungelo aqalephi kufe abantu abengakhi for this thing. So people will start nabantwana abaqala bafunde because of once manje uma uthi uyayiqeda phezulu ungayicalanga phansi kuba i-challenge, you know, and at the same time nade kwesikhuluma nabantwana bethu ngakhona and kunezinye izinto ezakudala ezisincedayo ezingasasincedi manje nalento ukuthi umntwana womfana wentombazane ifangalelanga endlini or ahambile wabuya late bese umama athi ngizobiza usipho ezibhuti wakhe akutrap or amncane. So umntwana feels ukuthi usipho ngathi unamandla njengendoda ushaya mina, no, and at the same time utshela ukuthi wena umsebenzi wakho ukwashizitsha, you know, that thing uthi umntwana ufunda azi ukuthi hey mina njengentombazane kwamele ngenze 1 2 3 ngenze 1 2 3. Kunezinye into zakudala ezisincedayo, kunezinye emele sizishiftise kuze sikwazi ukuya phambili, but must go back we issues yokuthi you need to have ama street committees lama kunama issues. Not all issues must go to police station. Kunezinye sifuna ifamily to sit down and talk about issues ezikhuluma ifamily and sibeke umthetho and kulandele namasiko kube nama classes lawa khuluma khona because nale issue le ukuthi ireligious ayisekho esikolweni thina sifunde kukhona ezenkolo like umntwana bekazi ukuthi ukwenza so yisono but manje ayisekho ezenkolo, you know, sibe khona lapho nalapho. So khona la kumele uhlale phansi khona kukhulunywa abantwana bakhona basayiphethe into amatshitshi emalokishini but abanye bafila ukuthi into amatshitshi akusinto khona umunye uzothi uyafika kunamanga kusitshitshi why amabele why, you know. So mara if ayifunda kube endlini I think kuphumela ngaphandle kumasaka better, you know. I'm just making an example. There's a case besilandela yomfana wasenquthu uza ngapho balekele iRamkunophi elokishini eKatlehong kanti umfana la suke khona urape wabulala. Now when uyafika uyambeka la uyaqasha kwakho maqeda ukuqasha kanti ubeka irape not knowing because of ukubhadala rent. If bohlala umntana entombazane uthatha irape uzalibeka la, if akwazi ifamily yakubo iKZN uyohlula yini ukurape umntana angamazi khona eJardini. But yeah isesebenza ngapha kuma state committees bothi mawusuka endaweni enquthu uza ngapha kumele ube nencwadi abakubhalela yona esho ukuthi umuntu onjani usiphethe kanjani ubani uphumaphi yonke lento le so that uthi sikwazi ukuthi uphumaphi because manje sicashisa abantu esingabazi ukuthi ubani kanti egcine sinoqashisa igebengu kanti lezo gebengu lezi ziphinde zisibulale. Lastly bokuningi case la umuntu kufuneka umntwana athuma ugogo ukuthi ayothenga ePambridge ayothenga umntwana omncane. Ugogo uyamangana umntwana akasabuyi ntambama hayi ugogo ashayempempe ubuza umphakathi bamcheck umntwana sekufuneka umntwana manje umntwana akatholakala simbheke ugogo sikabuza ugogo kahle umntwana kuza aphuma endlini manje hayi bengimthume shop and ishop eseduze yipi ishop kabanibani sithatha isiqalo somsearch masimsearch nangumuntu umcobile umntwana wamfaka phakathi kwebucket esibona ngamagazi. Now lento le lo muntu asimazi ubani lo muntu asikwazi nokumtracer ukuthi ubani lo owner this shop and umuntu makabalekile somthola kanjani asazi nokuthi uphuma but masine referral yakho ukuthi uduma uphuma kuphi abazali bakhe inamba yakhe and usuke amuntu onjani la ahlala khona, you know, une criminal case or kana criminal case, you know, that's street committee bezokwazi ukusinceda kanjalo nokwazi ukuthi sade ngihlala bobani because manje uyahlangana abantu abayi15 abadlulelayo uza sidala ukuthi hayi lo muntu ucashela mara umazi ukuthi ucashela. What if that person is a hitman ufuna wena ulo ucashile for 3 months alokahlela bhala kubheka wena mbona movement wakho wenzani igcina kushaye makaphuma hamba ukuthi lo muntu akaqashela masifika thola ukuthi wena nawo umazi mara umuntu oqashe kuye. So street committees by then bezokwazi ukusasista kanjalo ukuthi sazi ukuthi ubani uphumaphi ungumni, you know, all these kind of things ngaye. Uma CPF kakhulu aba based ema police station mara street committee umuntu ohlala estradini sakho umaziyo better. So a CPF it's somebody, you know, asithi ngezimzekelo ngeni case ukuthi umakhelwane uphatha ubani umakhelwane kabi wenzani then you go to a CPF police station but lo muntu ozohleli phansi akamazi ibackground yalabantu labaya uzozwa ngumuntu sometimes so ukuthi uduma akwazi ukukhuluma ukusho ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani umuntu makakhuluma phambi simo wenzeni but most street committee because of uhlala same line you know better ukuthi mara umuntu so uyakwazi ukumamela nokukhuluma ama issues that you know ukuthi kahle ishinjani. But the police station ku CPF I'm not saying they are wrong or kanjani but I'm just saying ukuthi umehluko kuba sekutheni lo umuntu okwaziyo ukuthi ukhule kanjani was that issue as a family but lo uzwa ngokuthi eduya ngokuthi ubani ukhuluma better than ubani ngesensikhathi ukuthi lo ukhulumela phansi uye wrong lo khuluma phezulu uyo right but wena umjudge ukuthi wena wakukhulumela phezulu bese uthatha i-decision based on lento ebona kulomuntu kade ayikho njalo. When I grew up mangisoke bavimbela ngiya eKhumalo at the early age ngise primary bese ngine team soccer team then and I was watching these boys playing football nicely ngine hope ukuthi intwana zingilanga zaphumelela nami ngiyadlala ngapha ngecoach nami ngine-team zikhule lentwana lezi mazikhula obvious nami sengithola umsebenzi sengiyaphuma kuzo the respect that engiyiphiphela abafana it was a respect nabe bazi ukuthi wrong because bengakhulumi ngebhola kuphela but nangempilo nokuthi ubehave kanjani ezomfana kwenzakalani yonke lento Friday besimane team talk la ngihlala phone nabo sikhuluma up until ngiba nomntwana then mangiba nomntwana fast forward same line ngeza ukuthi uthengisa ama drugs la mntana amahlala khona because bengahlali naye ahlala eKhumalo mina ngihlala eKhumalo but different like I say same area but ishiyene kancane but it's a walking distance so umntana makathengisa makaba expose umuntu othengisa ama drugs abantu abathengisa ama drugs ngathi bathengisa ama sweet and unomntana umfana and isifiso sami umntana amadlala ibhola isifiso sami ukuthi umntana mina aphumelele isifiso sami ukuthi angaphileli la mina ngiphelele khona but makaba expose kuma drugs mangibheka abantu baselokishini sengibona abantu kunento abayibiza ngenyawupe and this nyawupe ngiyayibona before thatha zonke I called abayabafowethu engibaziyo into ebafethu asambeni and we went sangena house la kuthengisa khona ama drugs bacela bafethu mara ngitshela umzali uthini umntana wakho athengisa ama drugs bese if umntana wakho athengisa ama drugs kusho ukuthini and by then my brother after 2 years washona bakanendli Pambridge wathengisa standing nge-2000 wabuyela kithi so ngiyazibuza lo muntu lona izindlu zaphuma eza-RDP mara sakathengisini mina ngisho ukuthi awubhuti wami unendlu kanti ubuya so wayekumsebenzi akubheka ama drugs then into angiphatha kabi ngathi abafethu I can't do this alone but mina senze umphakathi we cannot live like this we cannot see abantu bathengisa ama drugs like this we cannot see abantwana babulala abafana babulala amantombazane ngalendlela we cannot watch abantu baba-hijacker ngalendlela let's move and let's do something so after 2 weeks is when I joined Thatha Zonke I remember bekunenye funeral indawo awutheginsi abadubula phezulu safike sabalalisa phansi bonke sathi ngeke nikwazi because not this bullet remember umthetho esibhamu uthi you must account ibullet lakho liphelelaphi so mawudubula phezulu the very same speed eliphuma ngayo so buya ngazo phansi and you must account for your bullet if uyenze i-license yesibhamu yakutshela ukuthi must account for bullet iphuma esibhamini sakhe it's how I joined Thatha Zonke because of ngicabangela those young boys bengibafundisa imagine umntana bekadlala ibhola sakabheka ama drugs akasana future and when I'm seeing my young boy upabalo and I see my young boys teammates ngithi abafana bami nje bazobhema lento lengidwe ngikhona ngona bayibheme sengishonile so it's when I started Thatha Zonke because of ngingafuni ukubona abantwana babe expose kulento engiyibonayo kwasithina sikhule ama drugs athengiswa kude le Eden Park ukuthi Eden Park uya walk ukuya Eden Park but now sebathengisa street to street ngathi ngeke sikwazi it's how I joined Thatha Zonke I remember enye out la sibuza nje ukuthi ku Facebook page yethu ukuthi ebani kune-information esidinga ngobani eyizafundi bafethu bathi ngifuna iThatha Zonke ngenzeni so sekwazela into ukuthi once wathi ufuna iThatha Zonke bovela ushake na ukuthi hey or endlini umntana bamthusa ukuthi hey wena sobe iThatha Zonke bakazicoca kahle ahlala kahle ukuthi hey this elephant okuthiwa iThatha Zonke so kuba nomehluko lapho and remember I spoke about imoto eyellow before yamaphoyisa nemoto emhlophe eqaleni bokwazi ukuthi mangena imoto eyellow bukuba nomhlolo so people bebabona imoto yele babona Thatha Zonke but leya manje because of babona imoto emhlophe and amaphoyisa manje sabasabi kwenza umsebenzi wabo because of these social medias these things nomntana athuka iphoyisa sekumele libuyele emuva but bebazi ukuthi iThatha Zonke angiyazi ukuthi why bebayathusa kangaka but bebabona yabona nami ngakana mangaphakamana bebona yo lezi Thatha Zonke zinte zonke khona zenishanga intshebe eshanga emikhaba yo ziphathe ezinye izinto nota futhi abantu banokhuluma manga umuntu angakutshela abona into encane athi hey into engaka endlula umzimba wakhe isibhamu sakho kanti ukhuluma manga and besibaningi and enye into futhi beyifaka ifike ukuthi sinokufika ngemoto eziningi masikufuna and ethi masikufuna sikufuna kuphele 6 months 6 weeks 6 years but sizokuthola so into futhi abayaziyo ukuthi and mazikutholile lezi yalandelela so into ebathusayo ukuthi bayazi ukuthi hey washawe kwani walabantu ewusenkingeni ngeke bakhohlwe there was a case masikuthatha zonke la sabamba amanye amajita asezonke masawabamba sawathola ngesibhamu then irifle makade uthola irifle lakhona samuva then sathola information ukuthi imoto lezi ubani uthenga imoto ezemaputo zama nobani imoto eziso mabakubambile ikhadi lakho balithatha baliswipe kubani then umuntu loyo makafika asithi umuntu akhona uthengisa utshwala mabafika nale khadi leli bayenza ngathi baswipe utshwala bese ikhadi maliphethe 7000 bathatha 7000 bese bathi 3000 banikeza lo muntu umnikazi we tavern bese 3000 bazinikeza bona so sekune chain enjalo and bese sazi ukuthi maku double cab bese la kubani so that information yonke bese sinayo so enye into futhi yenza ukuthi nasezonke and ezonke behlupha kakhulu sathi masengena there was a time ikomanda yami uThemba wathi ngilanga akhuluma nomphakathi ukuthi no igibeke zasezonke bebajwayela ukuthi mabahlezi baphuza ama Hennessy baphuza amabhodlela adurayo bayenzeni but manje baphuza amanzi so siyabanceda futhi nakhona ukuthi ngosa amanzi health sabakwazi ukuphuza amanzi so enye into yenza ukuthi nasezonke ukuthi crime iyehla kancane because we are pushing them and very hard because angithi le gibeke zokuza share information ukuthi khona abantu kwenza 1 2 3 khona wazi wenza 1 2 3 but so into yenzakala almost every day into esikhuluma ngayo futhi every day into encane almost after 3 hours khona umuntu amhijackile bamkidnaphile bamthathele imali they hijack you mama kade ukahijacka bahambe nawe bafuna ikhadi while bakufaka emotweni bazokubuza ama question card lakho ipin by the time akhuluma ipin chuthi mama kade ukahijacka khona bakufaka ku straight car sabo bakufake wena lapho labathatha imoto yakho bayise kuphi bayeguduza bakhipha ama tracker sabayi stripper ke more than anything now while balo strip motor yakho kuphi kakhulu bana ku strip le 28 extension 28 so kusiyasihlupha kakhulu while balo strip motor yakho ngalo wena bahamba nawe wena bakulalise phansi umuntu angene ngekhadi lakho afika swipe abheke ibalance makufuna kubuso bakho check ubuso bakho ufuna amaphini wenza ama transfers so mabantu nemali eningi bakuthathe babheke indlu let's say kunomfana othenga kubo washona abazali sakaphe ama drugs mafika bakufaka kulendle njalo obviously bakuvala amehlo but uyayizwa le ndlu ngithi nawe uyezwa ukuthi man the smell and everything so bakubeke lapho kulendlu leyo bakudrain imali zakho bakutransfer imali bayenzeni by the time ifamily tikubheka after 24 hours and by then bekuna this thing ukuthi no mafika police station bathi hayi maybe lo muntu usetshwaleni kuphi kumele 24 hours mali imali zakho bangakwazi nokucheck ebank but so into vele iyenzakalayo transfer imali ngesikhathi bafona ifamily yakho ukuthi hey kuze simrelease lo muntu usifuna imali engaka rasiyambulala so kuyinto eyenzakalayo manje kakhulu more than anything then bayuza labafana ukuthi kubo abazali basekho babheka ama drugs nemoto banokusayida bastriphele khona lapho to our surprises is that if uthola imali yakhe pension kulaba kwamba khona if bodlale lento lezi zama sports bet and stuff kulaba kulandelela khona if usebenza kahle emsebenzini kulaba kulandela khona I'm saying kunoma baba eWayville beke bamlanda lewelantu bangakhona bamlanda mafika bangene emsebenzini bathi bazibenza amaphoyisa emsebenzini wona ngamaphoyisa yakho kune case imoto yakhe ichayisile kuphi bamfaka emotweni estradini bashintsha bamkhoma ngebhamu transfer imali wenzani uphuma ofisini abantu bazibiza ngamaphoyisa inokwenzakala kanjalo usendlini uhlelele kokoda abantu uthi uvule eminyango sifuna babakho samaphoyisa mawuthi uyasondela bakuthathe bahambe nawe hayi uzomthola mawusaduzana bathi uzomthola eRampuni police station nina nithatha imoto nasukela eRampuni police station bathi hayi thina siyazi lento kula sebamgubhele sebambakele endaweni zabo bamtransfer imali zenzani so kakhulu khona information ephumayo that we are busy with but now nalaba vele saba hijack manje more than anything vele into yokuqala baya ku card lakho into sebayenza but ngamanye amabhenki ke sabangqono ebusuku sekune limit ethizeni abangasakwazi ukuyenza siyakwazi ukuthi bachecka nobuso bakho if buso kubona ngathi uthukile technology kanjani imali bakutshela tomorrow morning or during the week go and check the nearest branch izokwazi ukukunceda so they are trying nabo ukuthi balwisana le crime but khona labo ke basakwazi ukuthi imali and izokwazi ukuthi bachubeka ba transfer imali eningi obviously mawune business your limit ithi ukukhula so sebathakatha na business people magno itokufela bazi ukuthi imali kubani ophethe ikhadi lesikolo ubani sabathakatha abantu labo so bathakatha abantu babo bathakethile yes kenzeka nalabo ababambile bavela bakahijeka nabo sebenza same thing we always encourage abantu ukuthi mawuthi ngine case kufika umuntu angikhomba ngesibhamu yenzani into yokuqala angithi thina we not trained ukuba amaphoyisa nokulandela ama case but sifundile icane besenza amaphutha but safunda ukuthi no man one umuntu kumele avule case abe ne case number. 2 mele sikhulume ne focus eliphethe case ukuthi kune case so lo muntu uthi 1 2 3 so kubhalisile ku statement sakho ukuthi ngoba abanye abantu unokuthi atshela abaphoyisa ukuthi no labantu bengabonanga amagcoka ibharat love but down the line at time bani ngimbonile by the time thina senze arrest mara mase sifika lapha amaphoyisa abana choice ukuthi bamkhiphe ngoba wena ubhalisa ukuthi umuntu awumbonanga and the court ngeke ivume ukuthi wena awumbonanga yabona. So we always advise abantu to open the case sokwazi ukwenza but into enzakala manje uqeda ukudubula ngesibhamu obviously you cannot run and open a case so siyaya sokwazi ukubanceda. Sine hotline number yethu esisibabizisayo but ngoba abantu basazi umphakathi makazi number kaDuma sakavela afonele mina straight kanti sine hotline and then you expose manje egebengini because ngesikhathi igebengu sina indlela bangakuset up abathi kune case so uthi uyaya lapha kanti they are planning to do something, you know. So we always encourage people ukuthi we had our own hotline number that you need to call but at the same time talk to amaphoyisa sebenzisana very well namanye amaphoyisa ahlonipha umsebenzi wabo but namaphoyisa ke corrupt vele because of maybe umuntu usithandela ukwenza indlela yakhe wrong mara bayingcosana manje but we are working very nice namaphoyisa we're working very nice nama thina kakhulu ngisekhuleni EMPD namanye organization trying to make sure ukuthi izinto zihamba ngendlela right. But we encourage people to say open the case first then thina solandela and before standela sikhuma ne-IO sibuza ukuthi hey to have this information asitshele ama-IO vele masakune case vele asitshele bafethu kune case so can you help me with this case sisekwazi ukunceda manje but ecaleni besicabanisana namaphoyisa because of besenze arrest thina sinalento ukuthi hey bathe bambonile mama uzofika lapha ku docket ayibhalwanga yonke lento le bese mama release bese umphakathi hayi thatha zonke asebenza bophi game amaphoyisa abakhipha kanti there was a misunderstanding kuyonke lento le but now we've improved. We're working very nice namaphoyisa ngendlela right sisakwazi ukukhuluma ukuthi oma kuso nokuthi sibehave kanjani masifika endaweni because of kunezinye izindlela kuzinye izinto amaphoyisa cannot help us kuzo but the court umuntu sinokuthi simthole ayenza into wrong mafika court imkhiphe based ama mistake enza umphakathi like umphakathi uyathanda ukuthi babe ne hearsay bahamba ushisa indle abantu bafuna ukulisana indle abantu. We always tell umphakathi don't do that because of the evidence ngesikhathi ngicina senimosha makufika abantu bazoshuta senemshayile umuntu isibhamu asatholakali isigebengu sigijimisiwe siphethe isibhamu sidubula umuntu elokushini sasigijimisa seswilo because ukugijimisa umphakathi iqala bambamba mara isibhamu sesinyamalele. Now the case senyamalele niwayona because of twasibile isibhamu leso because need bakasiphethe asina proof ukuthi benteni benza yona bukuyiqiniso. So it's umphakathi now se educate ukuthi bafethu please every Tuesday between 7:30 to 8 our spokesperson uSimphiwe Khumalo uyalapha eKasi FM aloku akhuluma nomphakathi siyabafundisa nabo ukuthi sisenza kanjani better sikhula kanjani how do you report into ezifana lezo how do you do best thing elokushini, you know, encouraging the very same thing ngikhuluma ecaleni ukuthi we need to go back with my issues on street committees umuntu bamqashisile umazi ukuthi ubani phumaphi ube nama fingerprints akhe police stage so that ukuthi we trying ukuthi singagcini ubeka isigebengu endaweni lokuhlala or kwakho endlini kanti ubeka isigebengu the most dangerous person ombekile ubulela abantu kulo wena umgcinile kanti awazi lutho. When you go to pension you must be careful ukukhuluma nabobani nokuthi hey imali erafu seyingenile that the way you spend your money endaweni because manje akusafani nakudala. The very same people bathenga utshwala bahamba baqoqa ukuthi I'm not saying it's wrong to sell abantu utshwala but the way you spend umuntu yabonakala unemali eningi then you spend your money thinking ukuthi ujabulisa abangani bakho kanti umunye ahamba iqoqe innocently so kanti umunye uyisigebengu lapho sakazi ukuthi usunemali. So my advice umphakathini ukuthi there's nothing wrong to keep quiet, behavior the way we behave ngakhona ungabi nemali because of now cabangela impilo yakho before anything, you know, and always try by all means ukuthi abantwana nabo ungabatsheli because abantwana baqoqa ukuthi baba sekenze 1 2 3 there's no need to tell nabantwana bakho because of egcineni ungathi wena usafe bakhiphe umntwana wakho and akekho umuntu ongake akhiphe imali mabathi umntwana wakhe bamnqoma nakhona. So masingazama ukuthi sidlale ngendlela right, spend the way bespenda ngakhona nthamba sasebenza, buy things ngendlela. We asina jealous ukuthi ungathenga imoto ezidurayo extend indle yakho but you must be extra careful when we are doing that because of akusafani nakudala la umuntu avela ngene endlini yabantu avela acela happy insuku azisafani manje life ingenye indlela. So my advice le ukuthi abantu manganemali akaphive ngempela right angagqoki noma kupho ngoba sobambile hey ngiyangena Chiefs in keeping one number ngidlala 7 million engenile izolo ngiphele 300,000 kanti the enemies bathi angithi ngesizulu amabonda namadlebe. So you must be careful ukukhuluma ukuthi khumana ubani kuphi kanjani. Sinenye igroup esikuyo eGauteng anti-crime unit. So kuba simple within eGauteng, but amanye organization at some point siza invitewa abantu baseMpumalanga. They are trying to do that. They are trying to establish that because of kuba easy mas like Gauteng. You know Gauteng mama hijack umuntu eTsakani uyafaka group yini ukuthi kunemoto so be hijackile, you know, then sesiyabheka nathi because that group khona everyone was eGauteng olusana necrime. So we encourage namanye ama province ukuthi nabenze the same thing so that kube easier ukuthi sikwazi and report these people. Umuntu ongamtholi life yakhe ukuthi lo akasebenzi kwenza, there's nothing wrong. Angithi manje sisasabela, like you check, and at the same time and checking these young ones ezindlini abashona abazali ukuthi akungeni imoto idura kangaka siyangena imoto. So but ke abroad Gauteng ukujampela ngale kweGauteng buMpumalanga kwamanye ama provinces asukwazi ukufikelela, but if une case nokwazi ukusitshela ukuthi bafethu man kunento engahambi kahle, we arrange and go there sikasise kulezi cases akhona nokuvela but ayingcosana. But sithola ama case amaningi bumaPitora bathi by then abantu bathi hey sePitora sifuna thatha zonke ize sithi hayi fulani into yini because nathi vele somphakathi you know fight for your own area but will help you when you need help. So sesiyenzile manje seyithukhula sesikhona all over Gauteng, not thatha zonke per se. You have abo IOPS, you have Ratanda battalions, kasi, you know, yizo K1 ziningi ngengikwazi uceda, SCC ziningi, but we are fighting one thing, and that's one thing, that's crime. So yes, senze ukuthi sikwazi ukuhlangana if singilela yonke into ngeke sicabane because of we are fighting one thing and sonke siyafana. Ku Facebook page yethu sisebenzisa kakhulu iCrime Watch. So mawungena lapha ku Crime Watch laba reporta khona ama cases within indaweni yokuhlala sibiza iCrime Watch lapha ku Facebook. Ku cell phone number sine cell phone number yethu la sicela khona abantu ukuthi must send WhatsApp or basifonele ngesikhathi. But remember ukuthi na umuntu ngesikhathi abanye abantu ukuthi hey kudala ngikufonela niyafana nabo bani kanti uthola ukuthi ngesikhathi ama calls maningi angenayo. But we encourage abantu ukuthi basifonele ku 071 132 3563 071 132 3563 kula sokwazi ukukhona uya send message. But we encourage again ukuthi uma kuna something first thing oyenzayo uvele usend location yakho, then bese ukulandela ngevoice note yakho. So uyasitshela mawubona ngathi nento ongayitholi kahle, you send your live location, then bese you report even na ku family yakho, you send live location, you report so that ukuthi mama bajika nawe abakwazi ukubona ukuthi uyo send live location by then. So thina noma wasifona nje ukuthi kunanto esingayithola ba send live location, we follow that live location kanti vele ukuthi ba keep nephile or uyabona kunento ungayitholi kahle, so siyakwazi ukuthi sikuncede na kanjalo mazokwazi ukusenda into enjalo. Yokuqala makungena inkinga uzokukhalipha ukuthi abantu bangena live location yakho or send live location maceda, it's when you send voice note today bafethu kunento esongahambi kahle, but mfuna yakhe mayicima but thina sesinayo live location ukuthi siya lapha yasesazi. uNkulunkulu sesenathi saluza only one member, Supreme Commander Mandla, but sengikhuluma indaba ukuthi ku crime la abantu bafike bahlasela umuntu, but uNkulunkulu sesenathi nale gebe ngisatshwa nale ndawo kusatshwa kuze uthi lapha kungenwa. But manihamba noNkulunkulu ngena la ngangenwa khona niphuma la ngaphunya khona. So sibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi sasigcinile singafanga apho le proof ngesikhathi abenathi gibe ngizisibe nama plan ukuthi amasingashalo yasemenzeni, but uNkulunkulu lokho ahlala wasiphephisa. So uNkulunkulu khona uNkulunkulu nathi lithi iBhayibheli ababili abathathu bakhuluma ngami nami ngikhona lapho. So namanje njengoba sibathathu so uNkulunkulu nathi sibonga nokuthi sifikile la sokwazi ukuthola interview. Umphakathi uzwazi ngathi kakhulu, ngibonga kakhulu nakuwe Mhlonishwa ukuthi uziphi isikhathi ukwazi ukusinceda. Ngathi abantu bangabonelela bakwazi ukunceda because of we are trying this nawe ngokwakho. Yazi ukuthi isikhathi esiningi abantu bafuna esontweni bathandazele mara abakwazi umfundisi ukuthi uhamba uyagowisha kanjani, abakazi bathi mfundisi ibanda athi sikuthandazele na umfundisi. So now lokukhuluma nathi usipromoter, but not we need to talk about you and tell people we need to support such things because of akhona ama big shows akhona, but bakhona laba abasibheki but we are fighting into ebalulekile lokushini but abantu bathena amehlo ababhekise kwento ezinkulu but abantu abenza into ezincane sikwazi ukubanceda abangazi ukusinceda abezayo bangasibhadalisi bangasenzeli neki basi-assist to move asokwazi ukubabhekelela so ngathi uNkulunkulu angakupha amandla nabantu bakufande moving forward and now ube nokuhlakanipha okungaphezulu ngiyabonga.